Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Mathur Techniques. Today we shall do more exercises on shares and dividends. But before that, I would just like to recommend you to go and check our playlist so that you can see every topic which is grouped topic wise, so that you can see them how you would view it in your exercise books. So you'll have an introduction and following exercises which are easy, and then slowly it is little more complicated exercises. So this will help you to understand the topic more thoroughly. I would recommend you to go and check our playlist. Now we shall get on to today's video. We shall do more exercises on shares and dividends. So we'll get onto the board. So if A buys rupees 80 shares of a company, that means he is buying a share which is 80 rupees. Okay, that is the face value of that share. Okay, what is face value? The nominal value. The nominal value of the share is 80 rupees. Okay, that gives them 20% dividend. Okay, his profit is 16%. Okay, so they're asking you to find what was his cost price. Okay, so cost price in the sense what was the market value of that share. Cost price, or they will ask you market value of the share. Okay, so I hope you are clear on that. So they have given you what is the face value, they have given you the percentage of profit and the dividend, and they are asking you to find what is the market value of that share. It's very simple, we'll go about it. So a company is giving 20% dividend on what? On the nominal value of the share. So that is what? 80 rupees. On 80 rupees, they're giving you 20%. Okay, so that is much? 16 rupees per share they're giving you. Okay, so the dividend is 16 rupees. Then what they have told? His profit percentage is 16%. Okay, so he's got a dividend of 20%. Okay, but his profit percentage is 16%. That means what? The market value of the share is higher than the nominal value. It is, but understood. Okay, 16% is a profit, but 20% is a dividend that is given. That means dividend is more than the profit percentage. That means he has paid more value than the nominal value. That means by that you can understand that the market value is higher than the nominal value. Okay, so how do we go about it? They told 16% of profit, that is 16% of X. Okay, so you don't know what is the profit. You don't know what is the investment that he has made. Okay, 16% of X, okay, of the investment equals 16 rupees. Why 16 rupees? Because they are saying that is the dividend he has got. Okay, so this is for they have not told you he has purchased 100 shares or 200 or 300 shares. They have not told you anything like that. They just told you share value of, they have told you the dividend value and the profit percentage. So that means we assume that it is only for one share. Okay, so what is it? 16% is a profit of one share. Okay, 16% of X, okay, equals 16 rupees. That is a dividend that he has got. So here they have told his profit percentage is 16. Okay, and the dividends that he got is 20%. So 20% of what? Market value. So profit percentage equals dividend percentage dividend. Okay, or dividend percentage of nominal value. So profit percentage of X. Okay, you don't know what is this X value. What is the value? You don't know. He's got 16%, profit is what they have told. So 16% of X equals rupees 16. 16 why? Because we have already found what is the dividend value. Right? We have already told you it is 16 rupees per share they have dispersed as dividends. So 16 rupees equals, or you can write 16% of X equals 20% of 80. It's the same. Okay, so I have just, because we have already derived the 16 rupees here, I put it here like this. So when you do this, you will get rupees 100. That means he has invested, the market value of the share is 100 rupees. Okay, what is the initial nominal value? 80 rupees. He has paid 100 rupees. Is it clear? So that's what I was telling you. Profit percentage is 16. Dividend given is 20%. So that means the market value is higher than the nominal value. By that itself you can know. So if you are getting an answer which is less than the nominal value in this situation, that means your answer is wrong. You need to recheck your steps. Okay. So that's how you recheck. So just read between the lines so that you will understand and you will be able to do the sum correctly. Okay, so I hope you understood this first sum. It's just a two-step exercise. It's just 2 steps for this problem, but when you read it, you feel like it's a very complicated question. Just go slowly, read each word of it, each term of it, understand, read between the lines, understand the question, and then attempt the answer. Okay, so that's one. The second one, okay, A owns 100 shares. Okay, the face value of the share is 25 rupees. The dividends dispersed by the company is 10%. So this 10% is on what? Face value. That is, face value equals nominal value. If you go through my first video on shares and dividends, you will come to know that I had told you that face value is the nominal value. So they will give you like this synonyms, so that you should know all the synonyms. You should know all the different words that they use for the same term. Okay. So face value is 25 rupees and they're giving you a dividend of 10%. That means they're giving you 10% on the face value. Okay, on the nominal value. Calculate the dividend amount and the ROI. What is ROI? Return on investment. So we had done an exercise previously on this also. I just wanted to repeat this because I wanted to give some highlight some more points on this. Okay, that we shall come later. So they're asking you to find what is the ROI. If the market value is rupees 30, so the face value or the nominal value of the share was 25 rupees. Now the market value has become 30 rupees. So based on this 30 rupees, what was the return on investment that this ROI for this person on this deal, on this share, for this share? Okay. So what is the dividend they have told? 10%. 10% on what? 25 rupees. That's the face value or the nominal value. Okay. So 2.5 rupees is the dividend that he is getting per share. Okay. So he owns how many shares? 100 shares. Okay. 2.5 rupees per share he is getting. So his total dividend that he gets is 250 rupees for this, from this company. Okay. So 100 shares, number of shares into 2.5 per share, the dividend that he gets. So rupees 250 rupees for this share that he gets from this company. Now what is ROI? ROI is this return on investment. I had previously also explained to you ROI, return on investment, means how much you have invested and how much you have got back from the company. The return that you have got back from the company. The investment you have, if you have invested 100 rupees, if you have got back 200 rupees. So 100 rupees is your ROI. That is the ROI amount. Okay, return on investment. How much you invested and how much you have got back from the company. Okay, so what is ROI percentage? So I have told you previously that percentage means you should multiply it by 100. So return divided by total investment into 100 is your ROI percentage. Okay, I hope you're clear. Return, here in this instance, return is what? 250 rupees, right? He's got 100 shares, 2 rupees 50 paisa he got per share. 250 rupees is the return that he got. Divided by, what is this? 30 into 10. We have another small part of this sum where they say the market value of the share is 30 rupees now. Okay. So what is invested? He has invested 30 into 100. That is, he's invested 3000 rupees on this company. 30 rupees is the market value into 100 shares he owns, right? So 30 into 100. Okay. 250 is the return that he got from this dividends that the company dispersed, divided by 30 into 100, which is his total investment. 30 rupees market value into number of shares he has is 100 into 100. 100 why? Into 100 why? Because we are asking the ROI percentage. Okay. So the ROI here, it is return on investment percentage. Okay. They have asked the return on investment percentage. So what is your, if they just asked you ROI and not return on percentage, you did not multiply it by 100. Okay. It is just 250 divided by 3000. Okay. That is the return on his investment. We have to multiply it by 100 to get the ROI percentage. Okay. Usually ROI is represented by percentage. How much investment he got back, how much money he got back from the investment that he did from that company. Okay, so you will get 8.333 it will come. So I just rounded it to 1 decimal point as 8.3. Okay, this question, the reason I repeated this is, this question can be asked in different forms. It can be asked, what is the ROI percentage? That is the return percentage. They can ask you what is the return interest that he got. Okay, what is the interest that he got? Okay, what is the interest, what is the return, and what is the profit that he made? Okay, so they can ask you in different forms: the interest that he got, the returns that he got, and or the profits that he made. So they can ask you in different forms. These are all different synonyms. So I'm just making you familiar and familiarizing you with these synonyms, so that when they ask you this question, you should be able to relate it to this problem and do it easily. Okay, so they can ask you what is the interest rate, what is the return on investment, or the profit percentage. All these are the same. Okay, so this is the formula for that. So profit percentage is profit by total investment into 100. Interest rate is interest by total investment on 100. The same thing. Okay, so that is how you return is, as I told you, return by total investment into 100. So that is the return percentage or profit percentage or interest percentage that he has earned. Okay, I hope you're clear. These are, be familiar with the synonyms that they would use. They would use face value instead of nominal value. They would use return percentage. They would use interest percentage. They would use profit percentage. All these are synonyms. So be careful with all that. Read the question slowly. Understand what they're trying to say. So that sometimes there are answers in the question. Like in this, the answer was there in the question. Okay, means there was a hint for you in the question, but the profit percentage and the dividend percentage is given. Dividend percentage is more than the profit percentage. That means the market value has increased for that product. I mean, for that share. Okay, so you will get like these sums. Please be careful of it. Have a keen eye and just be careful while reading the question, so that you will be able to answer it easily. I hope you're clear, and please do share, subscribe, and like our channel, like our videos. And if you subscribe, you can get notification of our notification from our channel when we upload any new videos. Do support us, and expect you to see in the next video. Have a great day and bye.